Let's go shopping. It's time for another Dollar Tree haul. For today's haul, I'm not near my local Dollar Trees. I'm in Northeast Ohio, and I've got some great finds. So grab your coffee, get comfy, and let's dive in. And just a little about the Ohio stores versus the Florida stores. They have been more structured. In Florida, it always seems that there are random things anywhere and everywhere. And this store here just opened, so it was organized. But most of the stores I went into in this area were very tidy and clean. I was also excited to see the regular fall decor. It did not disappoint. Before I left Florida, my stores only had the plus section, so the regular section was not stocked yet. Take these beautiful pumpkins. The price has increased to $1.50, but the quality was impressive and I think totally worth it. I love all the colors and the realistic stems. They weren't plastic like years past, and the ones that sparkle are gorgeous. The glitter did not come off in my hands. I just hate when decor sheds. If I was in the market for pumpkins, I would have picked up several. Next, I'm showing the large cloches because I plan to do a fall DIY video soon, and I will be using this and the smaller cloche to recreate the ghost decoration from Pottery Barn. So if you want to craft with me, definitely pick it up now. And if you missed my last DIY craft video, I'll link it below. I'll also be using two of these stems the Dollar Tree is calling Willow. I think they're going to make an eerie backdrop to any Halloween decor. But before we continue, don't forget to subscribe and comment to enter the giveaway. This one is big, and every single comment counts as an entry. So chat with me below. The more you comment, the better your chances. Now back to the video, 2 Halloween items, and the rest of the haul. I wanted to share these light up pieces, especially because they are $1.50. They are a good size and even had a little weight. I spotted skulls, pumpkins, and ghosts. All super cute and perfect for a haunted house. Dollar Tree, I think, is trying to make up for the price increase. And these won't last, so grab them if you see them. And I have to mention these pillared candle holders from the Dollar Tree Plus section. I just love them. They come in black or white, 2 sizes, 8-inch for $3 and 12 inches for $5. And they look way more expensive than they are. Seriously, on Amazon you'd pay at least $15 for the larger one. They'd be so easy to customize with paint or rub and buff too. Definitely a great find if you're into the high-end looks on a budget, and just not for Halloween. And while we're on the topic of high-end looks, you have to see the candle dupe. These are seriously giving Anthropologie vibes, and for a fraction of the price. Anthropologie's version range from $16 to $38, but Dollar Tree has similar ones for just $3 and $5. They smell amazing, the vessels are beautiful, and they'd make a perfect gift or decor piece, a total steal. I was also happy to see this bud vase with the taupe top. It's the same as the green version I hauled in the past, and I actually had it in my cart because the color was so beautiful, but I put it back. I have so many vases, but it was so tempting. Next up, a name brand find. I spotted the Aleene's Industrial Strength Glue Stick, such a great upgrade from the standard glue stick Dollar Tree usually carries. If you craft a lot, you know how important a strong adhesive is. This one gives you way more hold for the same price. Definitely worth grabbing while it's in stock. And check out this name brand churro mix by Abigail's Kitchen. What a great find. It's made in Ontario and can be made in a deep fryer or an air fryer and contains only 2 grams of sugar per serving. I can't wait to make them when I get home. Even the cashier was checking it out. Another name brand find I came across was Bush's Baked Beans in 8.3 ounce size. It's a great grab if you need it quickly and don't want to make a separate grocery run. But just a heads up, these are only $1 at Walmart, so unless you're in a pinch, you might want to wait and pick them up there and save a little. And over in the party section for $1.25 were these really nice sized bubble number candles in either silver or gold, which were really pretty for the price. And check out this vapor stick. It's non-medicated and no mess. It's a balm and you just roll it on like deodorant. I got one for my daughter-in-law. She loves stuff like this. And finally, I spotted the Retinol Renewing Double Serum. If you watched my other hauls, you know I regretted not picking up more the first time. So today I got another one for myself, and I got one to add to the giveaway. It's a close dupe for the ordinary retinol that retails for $8.60 at Target. And have you heard about this foot powder? It's not just for feet. It's an amazing setting and blurring powder. And boy, does this container last. I have another channel and do a full face of makeup using Dollar Tree products. I'll link that video below if you want to check it out. Still in the beauty section, I came across the Sol de Janeiro dupe spray for body and hair. I have the aerosol one and love it, but honestly, this one I didn't care for. The scent was nice, but it was sticky, so this one is not for me. But check out this other name brand find, the Duo Eyelash Glue. This retails for almost $5 at Walmart. This is a great deal. And look at these cosmetic bags. Dollar Tree never stops surprising me here. And you can't have too many, especially if you travel. But it's also great for organizing your cosmetics and even just the overflow. I then spotted several Haritage by Mindy McKnight products. These are normally sold at Walmart and retail for a lot more. Today I found a hair claw, a headband, and a scrunchie. There were definitely some amazing hair products on this trip, like the biotin and castor oil scalp treatment. These ingredients are stellar and can make your hair longer and stronger. It's really worth a try for hair regrowth. Next up was the Overnight Hair Serum. This is new to me by Be Pure and is good for all hair types. Let me know in the comments if you've tried this product. I'd love to know how it works. And by Miss Spa, I spotted 2 different hair masks, one for frizz control and the other for dry hair. And this OPI nail polish is such a great deal for $1.25. A great color to pick up for Halloween also, but honestly, when it comes to the cooler months, I'm all about the dark colors. I also spotted a few nail polish colors by Beauty Intuition. I love their makeup products, but I haven't tried the nail polish yet, so I grabbed a couple to test out. The colors were really pretty, perfect for transitioning into fall. If you've tried them, let me know. Tell me what you think. And how about the matte top coat? I prefer a shiny top coat, but I know matte is very much the trend right now, and Dollar Tree has you covered. And check out this creamy baby oil. It's perfect for babies and us too, especially right after a shower when you want to lock in moisture. I picked up a bottle and really liked it. There's barely any scent, which I love, and it actually soaks in, unlike some moisturizers that sit on your skin or have an overpowering fragrance. Definitely worth trying if you're picky about body products like I am. We couldn't bring our dog Daisy with us this trip. She's staying with my son, so of course I had to pick up a little something for her. I found these name brand Dole Fruit Dog Biscuits, and they're a great deal. They're actually cheaper per ounce than you would find at Chewy or Walmart. So if you've got a pup at home, keep an eye out for these. They're a great budget-friendly treat. And for the cat parents out there, Dollar Tree has a large 14-ounce bag of dry cat food by Sunshine brand for $1.25. That's a solid deal for everyday feeding or even to keep on hand as a backup. Worth checking out if you've got a furry friend at home. And right in the pet section, I found these adorable magnets with fun sayings for dogs and cat lovers. They'd make such a cute little gift, perfect for stockings, gift baskets, or even just a small surprise for a pet-loving friend. It's never too early to start tucking things away for Christmas. I hope you enjoyed today's haul. Thank you so much for hanging out with me. I always love sharing these finds with you, and I hope you're leaving with a few new favorites to look for on your next trip. Have a great day, and I'll see you in the next one.